This is question number 5 of exercise 8.1 from the chapter of trigonometry. Topic is trigonometric ratios. Here question is, given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. We know there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So sec theta is given, we have to find out the values of other 5 trigonometric ratios, correct? Let us see the solution here. Here given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, but we know that sec theta is equal to h by b, correct? So therefore h by b is equal to 13 by 12. This can also be written as 13k by 12k. Because these are ratios, means some factors may be common, isn't it? So k will be cancelled out, there will be no problem. So therefore we are getting here h is equal to 13k and b is equal to 12k. Now let us find out the value of p. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, p is equal to h square minus b square. This is equal to square root of h square means 13k whole square and minus b square means 12k whole square. 13k whole square is 169k square and minus 12k whole square is 144k square. And this is equal to, p is equal to how much? 169 minus 144, this is equal to 25k square, and 25k square, its square root is 5k. So therefore we are getting value of p is equal to 5k. Now we have to find out all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so if you find sine of theta, you know sine theta is p by h, and p is 5k and h is 13k. k will be cancelled out. This is equal to 5 by 13. This is the value of sine theta, correct? Now let us find cos theta. Cos theta is b by h. b is how much? b is 12k and h is 13k. k will be cancelled out. This is equal to 12 by 13. This is the value of cos theta. And tan theta, this is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 5k and base is 12k. k will be cancelled out. This is equal to 5 by 12. This is the value of tan theta. Correct? Now let us find out cosec theta. Cosec theta is h by p. h is 13k and p is 5k. k will be cancelled out. 13 by 5. This is the value of cosec theta. Correct? And rest fifth is cot theta. Cot of theta, this is equal to base by perpendicular. Base is 12k, perpendicular is 5k. k will be cancelled out. This is equal to 12 by 5. Cot theta is 12 by 5. This is the answer. So these are the values of all trigonometrical ratios if sec theta is given here. Very interesting question, very important questions. Okay, so hope you are enjoying these videos. Your likes are most welcome. Wish you all the best.